And what is SDLC in project management? First of all, we need to unpack what is SDLC. First of all, the acronym for SDLC is Software Development Life Cycle. Again, Software Development Life Cycle is the acronym which is SDLC. And all this is, family, if we're going to just sum it up, because what my goal here is, even though I'm wanting to be a disruptor in project management, I think one of the best ways to be a disruptor is always making something that you can explain on a level that anyone should be able to understand, even if they have no connotation about what you're doing. Let me give you a quick story. The reason why I say that, family, is because I remember when I put together this amazing PowerPoint, and it had all these terminologies, these buzzwords, and everything. I was super excited. I go to present the information, and actually I did really extremely well. And I was like, you know how it is, family. You know, especially if you're a project manager, you put together a good set of slides, and it comes out really well.